This first enlarger, it's an Omega LPL. The name is written right on the front. What you need to know about this for our first use of it, just basic, right? How to turn it on and off and control the intensity. Look for the power box to turn it on and off. And then to control the intensity of the light coming out, we're going to look for the lens. The lens has on it different size apertures. So when I turn it one way, and if you listen, you hear clicks. When I change the clicks, the intensity of the light that's coming out gets brighter or dimmer. The other way to change the intensity of the light is to use the head transport. On this enlarger, it's a yellow knob and it's located on the enlarger column, and this will let you raise or lower the lamp house. That's another way you can control the intensity of the light. Again, this is just for photograms. So two things here: turn it on and off, change the intensity with the lens, turning the clicks. You'll see which one's brighter or dimmer. Or you could change the intensity by bringing the lamp house further away. Bell. Don't you miss bells? And that will, bringing it further away will make it less intense. Bringing it closer will make it more intense. So that's that enlarger. Next we have our VC67. So next we have our VC67 enlarger, VC67. And this enlarger has a timer attached to it. Now, how do you use the timer? Well, just to turn it on, the lamp house, you flip the lever down and the lamp house will go on. To use the timer, though, you would have to turn it off and you would have to turn this dial to the number of seconds you want, and then to start it, you press the button in the middle. I personally don't use these timers because in here they often get stuck, so I don't trust them. So I prefer the on-off method, and I like to count 1 hippopotamus, 2 hippopotamus, 3 hippopotamus, off, right? Okay, now again, how do I turn it on? Just flip the lever, okay? How do I change the intensity? Same thing as that other enlarger. There's a lens. Turn the clicks. This one's harder to hear. And that will change the intensity of the light. To make the lamp house further away from the baseboard, so the distance makes it less intense, you're gonna roll, there's a lever, that crank that you're gonna turn, and then you could raise the lamp house up or bring it down. And that is how you change the time and intensity on this basic enlarger so you can make a photogram.